guys, Ange here. Thanks for joining me and welcome to my channel Angelac Beauty and Flair. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this eye look with a lovely new palette that I have purchased. But before I get into that, if you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you could click the subscribe button. I'd love to see you back. I am a mature lass who likes makeup, skincare and lots of other beautiful things, and I like to share them on my channel. It's like I would share with girlfriends all the things that I like, and this is my way of getting that little girly fix. So the palette that I've purchased recently is this gorgeous Pat McGrath Mothership Sublime Bronze Temptation eyeshadow palette. Now I did get this directly from Pat McGrath because they are a wonderful company that ships to little old New Zealand here, and I bought two of the mini palettes in the past, Bronze Ambition and the cooler toned one. I moved on the Bronze Ambition, but I have kept the cooler toned palette because I really do enjoy it. But I was enticed. I actually wasn't going to get this palette until I saw an eye look that Flowerbomb31 was wearing using this beautiful palette that she had in a Sephora haul. I couldn't resist, and I made the most of all the specials that were around the Black Friday Cyber weekend. So I did purchase this, created this eye look. I'm really happy with it. Spoiler alert. It was so easy, and two colours, if you don't count the inner highlight, two colours. I think it would be a out the door and five look for the eyes, not the rest of the makeup, and I am really happy that I've got it. These palettes retail for $55 US. You can purchase them from the Pat McGrath website, and as I said, they ship worldwide, and the shipping's actually I got free shipping with this, which was really good. The last time I ordered from them, I think it cost me about $25, but it was free shipping this time. I don't know if it was because of the Cyber Weekend sales, not too sure. And you can also get these from Sephora.com, which don't ship to New Zealand and delete all my orders. So even though I have a US shipping address, they keep cancelling my orders, which is really frustrating considering I'm a VIB Rouge. But never mind, Pat McGrath, love the fact you ship worldwide. Thank you. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, very easy look, please keep watching. So this is the gorgeous mini palette from Pat McGrath in the Mothership Sublime Bronze Temptation, and it's the mini palette that retails for $55 US. Now I have set my eyes with setting powder, as there is not a bone colour in here, which I like to use for setting my eyeshadow primer. And today I just use a concealer and powder. So after watching Flowerbomb31, I am going to go in with the shadow here, which is what enticed me on her eyes to buy this palette. So I've not used this before. We're going in. Now I've had the transition of moving. I do put a lot of pressure on myself, and I probably do things I don't need to do, but I have a to-do list like this that I probably don't need to do, but I impose it on myself, and I have to get things done. And between keeping the house that was for sale tidy, clean, and had all our furniture, and then trying to get this place up to scratch to how I wanted it, plus this time of year at work is extremely busy because it's the end of the school year, end of the financial year, end of year certificates, things like that. Is very busy all round, and I do tend to stress myself out, and my health does sometimes pay for that. But I thought I'd perk myself up a little bit. I have been using lash serums. If you have been watching my videos, you know, and I really enjoy them. My lashes have grown, but they grow poker straight and I can't get them to hold a curl. So I gave in last night and I have popped eyelash extensions back on my eyes. I do them myself. I do have a video showing how I do that. It's probably not recommended by the professionals, but it saves me money and I do it. And I've given up on my growing out my nails and I have just popped stick-on nails on to hopefully grow them out to a more healthy, natural nail. But in the meantime, I needed to beautify myself a little bit so that I can keep on tackling life. Okay, so with all that out of the way, I'm going to go in with this beautiful colour here, which is, as I said, on Flower Bomb 31, enticed me when she was wearing this in a video into buying this palette. So I'm going in with that first. Normally I would do a transition colour, but as this is quite a deep colour, I'm just going to put that all over the lid, and my word, it blends beautifully. So it was quite brown with the first coat, and I can see the red shift in there as I layer this up. And I am just using a Morphe R40 brush for this. Not sure if a packing brush would give more intensity, but that was very pretty. This actually, I think, could be a very easy look, because I'm only going to add a wee transition colour to this, and maybe an inner corner highlight, and the eye look will be done. My word, I do like that. Okay, so I'm going to take a small pencil brush. This is a Morphe B37, and I'm just going to run that under my eye. Same colour. I'm doing this way out of the norm procedure I would normally apply shadows. These shadows are beautiful. Okay, so that's that ready colour called Corruption. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a Sigma, no wait, I'll go in with a Sephora Pro crease brush number 10. I'm going to go in with the brick sort of colour here, and that is called Burning Desire. Yes it is. And I'm going to lightly just blend that in the transition. Don't want this too heavy, but I just want to add that in the transition area. I'm not going to go crazy. Super easy. Isn't that funny? So the colour I've got on my lid, that's my brush, and it's showing up more green-grey on the brush than it is the ready colour. Very, very tricky. Okay, beautiful. Simple, easy. NARS Via Veneto. just in the waterline. So pretty. Right, MAC Giga Black Extended Play for my bottom lashes. And I love putting mascara on my lower lashes now that they have grown as well. And to really feel lugs and beautiful, I'm going to go in with my Lancome Monsieur Big, and I am going to coat my lashes. Now, even though they are lash extensions, I use the Bioderma micellar water to gently remove my eye makeup at the end of the day, and I just soak the pads and rest them on my eyes and gently take off the mascara. And if I am very careful and don't use any oil products, my lashes can last 2 to 3 weeks before I need to add any more. And oh my gosh, that's so much easier than putting falsies on, and then I still wake up with nice eyelashes instead of insignificant little fellows. And I've gone and got a bit of mascara on my eyelids. We will let that dry before we dab it off. Now what I have forgotten to do is put a little bit in my inner corner. I'll go in with this colour here, which is Celestial. And I have a little lip brush that I like using, seeing as I have hooded little eyes. I'm just going to pop that in the very inner corner. This eyeshadow is very trippy, very reflective of pink, green, very pretty. Just get a cotton bud to take that bit of mascara off my lid. Now that hopefully it's dry, you just go like that and gone burger. And that, my friends, is the finished super easy look. I think this could be a go-to look for me in the future. Dying to try the gorgeous green out in here as well. So I am very much looking forward to playing with this palette, but that is just so happy I got that. Thank you, Flower Bomb 31. I wasn't going to get this, but I am so pleased to have. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with this palette. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed that quick, easy eyeshadow look. I hope to see you back for future videos. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this. And please subscribe. Love to see you back. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day. And I look forward to seeing you next time. See you later, guys. Bye.